In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a TXT record to your Squarespace domain. So this is very easy, but let's do it together. So what you need to do once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you need to go to the domain section of Squarespace. So make sure you're logged in the top right hand corner to Squarespace, then click on the lines in the top right. From here, you can then go ahead and find the domain section. So by default, you need to scroll down, and I would just really go ahead and click on find a domain, and it will take you to domains.squarespace.com. Once you are here, you can go on the three lines in the top right hand corner. You can then click manage domains, and that should take you where you need to go. Here you'll then see all of your domains. We're going to use this one as an example. So click on it, and then it will take you into the backend. Now we can click on DNS, and what we can do here in the DNS settings is we can actually scroll down and add custom records. So if you then click add record, it might prompt you to just verify that you are who you are. So make sure you re-log in to your account when prompted. After we've done that, it will allow us to add any record. So you can go ahead and choose the type, and we'll put here TXT, then add a host and add your text here. So I've got some example records here. I'm going to copy this value. We'll then paste in the value into the text here. And for the host, we'll put @ and then we'll go ahead and save this. Then your TXT record should have been added, and you can go ahead and see it here. If you want to delete it, click on this button right here. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.